Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a text shortcut macro in Logitech G Hub. So first of all, we're gonna have to open our keyboard in Logitech G Hub. Now let's go to the assignments menu and let's assign a macro to any key, for example F. Let's remap it, and in assignments select macros. Now let's create a new macro. Name it Hello World. Press enter. Now we have to select the macro type, so either no repeat for single press, single enter macro, repeat while holding, repeating entering the text while until we stop holding the macro key, and toggle in order to start entering text and stop when we press the triggered key once again. Then we also have sequence to create more complicated actions. For example, what a macro does when we press the key once, what it does when we hold the key, and what it does when we release the key. Let's use the standard rule. So just no repeat. Start now. Let's enter text, select text and emojis. So you have to select this second option from the top. And now let's enter Hello World, as it will be the text. Click done, save your macro, and now we're gonna have to assign this macro, confirm, and confirm once again. Now let's open the Notepad, and once I press the target key, the text gets entered. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.